Let's sew the MONACO shorts, the short, playful sister of the MONACO pants. Same elegant design, same clean construction, but in a lighter, more feminine silhouette that almost looks like a flared miniskirt. These shorts are perfect for beginners. No zippers, no tricky details, just simple seams, beautiful pleats, and our signature 2-button side closure. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through every step. Follow along, and you'll see how quickly this design comes together. The result is a pair of shorts that feel airy, flattering, and effortless. Let's get started and sew your own MONACO shorts. Step 1. Preparing shorts pieces. Cut all pattern pieces from your fabric. Transfer all notches, folds lines, and pocket markings onto the fabric. We recommend stabilizing the pocket's openings with an interfacing strip before sewing these shorts. However, it's not mandatory. Step 2. Front and back folds. Form the folds on the front and back pieces according to the notches on the sewing pattern. Stitch along each fold line. For these shorts, we stitch 3 centimeters of fold line instead of 5 centimeters as presented in the pattern. Place the folds towards the crotch seams on the wrong sides. Press the finished folds to set their shape. Stitch or pin the pressed folds to fix their position. Step 3. Hemming prep. How we make 3 centimeters folded hem finish. On the wrong side, mark a line 6 centimeters from the raw edge. Fold the bottom edge up to that line and press. Fold the hem up to pressed line and press again. Pin the hem in place. Step 4. Right pocket assembly. Place the right front piece and the right pocket lining right sides together. Sew them along the pocket opening line. Turn the lining to the inside and top stitch the pocket opening 1.2 to 1.5 centimeters from the edge. Place the right side pocket piece, wrong side up, onto the assembled lining piece, wrong side up. Sew the 2 pieces together around the edge of the pocket bag. Finish the seam using an overlock or a zigzag stitch. Press the pocket and pin it with right front together along top line and side line. Step 5. Fake slanted pocket. Prepare a 3 centimeters wide straight strip to finish left fake pocket opening line, and a 3 centimeters wide bias strip to finish the rounded raw edge of the left side pocket piece. Press the finished edges and attach this side pocket piece to the left front sideline. Step 6. Crotch seams. Place the front pieces right sides together and sew the front crotch seam. Place the back pieces right sides together and sew the back crotch seam. Finish both seams with an overlock or a zigzag stitch. Press the seams well. Step 7. Inseams. Place the front and back pieces right sides together, matching all notches. Sew the inseams. Finish the seams with an overlock or zigzag stitch. Press the seams. Step 8. Side seams. Place the front and back right sides together, align all notches, and sew the side seams. Finish the raw edges with an overlock or zigzag stitch. Press the seams thoroughly. Step 9. Hemming. Stitch the folded hem close to the inner folded edge. Step 10. Attaching waistband. Prepare the waistband. Apply interfacing to the wrong side of the entire waistband piece. Fold the waistband in half lengthwise, wrong sides together. Press the folded waistband, gently shaping it into a curve and slightly stretching the outer edge. Finish one long edge of the waistband using a 4-5 centimeters wide bias strip, the same fabric you used for the fake pocket finish. Align the raw edge of the waistband with the top edge of the pants, matching all notches, and stitch them together. Press the top seam allowance of the pants upward toward the waistband. Fold the short ends of the waistband right sides together and sew them. Trim the corners at a 45-degree angle to reduce bulk and turn them out. Fold the finished edge of the waistband down over the seam and stitch it in place along the original waistband seam line. Give the waistband area a thorough press to set the shape. Step 11. Buttonholes and buttons. Make the buttonholes, placing them so that they align with the edges of the left side pocket piece. Sew the buttons underneath, matching the position of the buttonholes. Step 12. Reinforcing the pocket openings. Sew a short reinforcing stitch at the lower end of each pocket opening. Your MONACO shorts are ready. Enjoy your beautiful new shorts!
You can try to hide